Hello and welcome to your Sort 5 word sort. Today we're looking at when we have a word and we want to add an ed. Many times we add an ed when we want to make the word a past tense. Like I jumped on the trampoline, or I mixed up the cookie dough. So we're adding an ed. And different things happen when we add an ed. Sometimes when we want to add an ed to the word, we double the consonants in the middle. So for example, the word is hop. When I want to add an ed to the word hop, we double the consonant to add an ed. So it's hopped. Other examples of that would be grabbed. The word is grab, and when I want to add an ed, I double the b and I add an ed. Grabbed. Let's look for other doubles. Stirred, stepped, nodded, passed. Ooh, let's look at this. So in order to add an ed, it looks like it's a double. So we can get rid of one of the s's, P-A-S. But that's not how we spell pass. We spell pass like this, with two s's. So in order to add an ed, we just leave it alone. Nothing happens. We just add an ed. So that could be in nothing. It might be an oddball, though. We'll put it in the oddball because it looks like it's a double, but really nothing happens. Dropped. The original word is drop, and to add an ed, we double the p and add an ed. Let's see, any others here? Planned. I don't see any other double consonants. This is a double, but this is a double vowel, so that's not going to be it. Sometimes when we want to add an ed, we add an ed by dropping the e at the end. Like the word is hope. In order to add an ed, we have to drop the ending e to add an ed. If we didn't drop the e, it would be H-O-P-E-E-D, and that'd be like hopeed. That wouldn't be right. So we have to drop an e. Others examples would be scored. Lots of times we're dropping in the e if the word ends in an e. Like the word is score. To add an ed, we get rid of this e and we add ed. So we're dropping one of the e's. Saved would be one. Lived. Again, because if the word is live, we have to drop one of the e's to add an ed. Named. Closed. Okay? Sometimes nothing happens. We just have the word, and in order to add an ed, we just do it. Like mixed. The word is mixed. Well, I want it to be past tense, so I'm going to throw an ed at the end. Mixed. Acted would be in that category. Wanted. Helped. Shouted. Started. Chewed. Seemed. And waited. Those are all words that you just add nothing. You just add the ed. There you go. There is your word sorts. Today, go ahead and sort these words. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, practice. And Friday, you will have a test on 10 of these words. Thanks.